Hey y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching. Today we're going to be playing with some eyeshadow. I have the mini Natasha Denona little mini gold palette here, and I'm so excited to play with this. I haven't swatched it, I haven't done anything, and I've been wanting to for a long time. I wanted this palette mostly because of this green shade right here. I haven't been drawn to Natasha Denona's palettes because of the price. Most of her palettes are $129, and I'm like, thank you, next. But I've been eyeballing her mini palettes. She has some mini palettes that are bigger. They're $48, but these are the $25 palettes here, and these are definitely itty bitty. There is 0.8 grams of shadow in each one, so it is very itty bitty, but this is perfect for if you want to try out Natasha Denona without spending $129, because I'm not gonna do that ever. But this was the first mini palette that I actually wanted to try. I was just drawn to it mostly because of this green shade. It's so perfect. Here's a close-up. I know it's reflective, I'm so sorry, but the packaging is still so pretty and I really like it. So we're gonna play with this today, and we're gonna do a little eyeshadow look, and yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. So if you guys like eyeshadow videos, then give us a thumbs up. If you like spoiler videos, if you like unboxings, give it a thumbs up. If you like me, give it a thumbs up. So yeah, that's about it. So let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, so right off the bat, this palette was made in Italy, which makes me feel fancy, okay? And it's also paraben free and not tested on animals, which I love. So I want to figure out what kind of eye look I want to do. So I'm gonna swatch these on my arm individually, which I am not a true, ooh, this is nice, a true believer of arm swatches. I believe swatching them individually on the eye is key, so you know how things perform, because you can swatch something on your arm and it look really nice and vibrant, but once you put it on the lid, it just kind of goes away and it's lackluster. So I'm just going to do a little swatch showdown here so we can figure out what colors I want to do and put where. Wow, I really like this first shade here. Okay, and while I am swatching these on my arms, I'm gonna go ahead and just let you guys know that I am doing a Jeffree Star giveaway right now. So I will have an image right here. This is what I'm giving away in one of my videos, and I will have it linked down below. So please, once you're done watching this, head on over to that video and enter my giveaway if you haven't done so already. Okay. So I have all of these shades swatched on my arm so I can get an idea of what I want to do. And oh well, these are like the worst swatches ever, but here we go. Those are the swatches. I think they swatched actually really nice, and they feel really nice. I don't even know how to explain it. I almost want to say this shade looks very familiar to a shade in the Honey palette from ColourPop. I'm actually gonna grab it really quick and just see if I'm remembering it correctly. Okay, so I have the Honey palette here, so I'm gonna swatch and see if I remember this at all correctly. No, absolutely not the same, you can already tell. So yeah, that's a very unique shade to my collection for sure. So I am very impressed with this palette. I don't own really any of these shades. So now that I have swatches on my arms, I really want to utilize every shade in this palette, so that's what I'm going to try and do. Using my new Jeffree Star brushes, I'm going to apply the shadow, which I know this looks dirty and disgusting, which, I mean, it kind of is, but you know what? I'm a dirty and disgusting kind of girl, so we're gonna work with what we got. Mostly because I really like this brush, but there's no product on it. I know I need to actually clean my brushes. Whoopsie daisy. But anyways, let's scoot you closer and get into the makeup look. So first I'm going to dip into this shade right here, which is called Lodge. I don't know, these shades are either backwards or the other way. I don't know. We're just gonna call it this shade right here, okay? That's the one we're going into. There's some kick up for sure, but it's okay. And I got my Jeffree Star mirror here so I can see what I'm doing. And I'm just gonna throw it into my crease-a-rooney. Wow, that really like went on smooth as butter. Oh, wow. Oh, I cannot believe it's not butter. Oh, I'm funny. Look at that. Yes. See, look at that dusty little pan. Ooh, she's a dusty hoe. Okay, so now that I have put that in my crease, I'm gonna take the green shade right here and I'm going to put it just below and all over. Has anybody had the Jeffree Star brushes for long or what? Because I just got these and these things shed so bad. You can't even see it. Yeah, these little hairs come out of these brushes so often and I just bought them and they shed like a freaking dog. I don't understand. I just wanted to say that because it just happened. So anyways. Again, look at this color. I literally put my brush in the pan one time and I got this. So maybe Natasha Denona is worth $129, but she ain't getting the money from me. I can tell you that. I can tell you that right now. Do we even like what's going on? And what's going on right here? I don't know. I suck at eyeshadow, but you know what? We do it anyways. Okay, I'm gonna take this dark shade right here. I wonder if this is gonna work if I put it on my brush so I can darken up my outer corner. So we're gonna see how that works out. See, look at my eyes. These stupid Jeffree Star brushes are freaking shedding. There's 2 more little hairs. Oh my god, can you even see the hairs? I don't want to like complain and nobody even understand what I'm talking about. Ugh, you can't even see it. I'm so annoyed. Ugh, I can't get it. Okay. Anyways, back to business. Okay. I'll put this in my outer corner and just kind of darken it up. Okay, okay, okay. This dark shade definitely has some fallout, so beware of that. Fantastic. And if you guys are wondering why my highlight's so poppin', I threw on that Skin Frost in the shade Frostbite that I got in my mystery box from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. It's very, very good. Look at it. Shabam, okay? Shabam, okay. Whew, don't want to blind you now. I need y'all to view these videos of mine. Don't want to blind you. Lose views because I done blind you to death. I'm going to take a little bit more of this green shade and just kind of like buff and blend the blackish shade. to look good. By the way, this eye always looks like crap compared to this eye because I'm not good with this eye, and I think it's shaped a little differently than this one. I don't know, there's something different, and this is the better eye, so that's why I always like to pay attention to this eye the most. So yeah, let's just forget about this eye and just pay attention to that one. So now I want to take this last shade here, and I want to focus it more on the outer corner of my eye on top of that black, kind of bring it over, and then I will work with the gold and kind of put that over on top of that so it's not like super uber dark. So now that I have done this, I'm going to take this gold shade and do my inner corner and meet it to the other shade there. This one feels the best out of the palette. Like, this shade feels so good. Oh yeah, that looks good. I'm just going to take a little tiny brush and kind of make sure that it goes all the way down into my corner and up. Actually, I'm going to take this again and do like a little bit underneath my eyes because I just feel like being a big gold party, okay? That's what I want to be, a big gold party. And I'm just going to take this green shade here and finish out my lower lash line. I have so much fallout on my face from this shade here, this one right here, so beware. I hope it comes off and doesn't like smear whenever I wipe it away. You know what? I'm so into this look, and I really think that this is a really great fall palette. So I'm going to wipe away what I can and do the rest of my eyes, and I will be right back. Okay, you guys, what are we thinking on this eyeshadow look? Honestly, I really like it, and I think it's like perfect for fall. And I love the green, and I like the gold, and I love the vibe of this entire palette. And then when you put, you know, mascara, lashes, whatever on, and some eyeliner, I think it really just like badoogie. That's not a word. It just makes, like, it just looks good, you guys. You know what I'm trying to say? This palette is just too good for words. Look at it. Look at my eyeballs. Yeah, I just gave myself a headache. I hope I didn't give you a headache. Oh, I'm just weird. Okay, you guys, so what are we thinking on the look? I think it's actually, like, so perfect for fall. I think it just all comes together and creates a very nice bomb look. And then when you put mascara or lashes, whatever you prefer, and some liner on, I think it just makes the whole shebang shapop. You know what I mean? You know what I mean. I mean, come on, this is so pretty. And like this gold right now, fantastic. But yeah, you guys can pick this palette up for $25 at Sephora. I assume it's the same price on our website. I don't know. I've never been there. I just shop at Sephora and Ulta. Whoops. But I think this is actually worth it. I think everything just kind of like went on so smoothly, and I don't know. I like the colors. It's perfect for fall, and if you want a little nibble of some Natasha Denona without spending literally an arm and a leg and a foot, get this little $25 baby right here. I think it's worth it. So that's it for today's video. I really do hope you enjoyed it because I may or may not have just bought a new eyeshadow palette. So stay tuned for that. I'll do a whole unboxing and then we'll figure out from there what I want to do next with the next palette. So stay tuned for a lot of eyeshadow play, you guys. So anyways, if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean the world to me. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.